Good evening, everybody. So what we're going to do today is awesome meatloaf. And the reason why it's going to be awesome is because it's going to be moist. Now, the majority of meatloafs I've seen and had with other people are usually hard and, not real appealing. Mine is. And this is what we're going to need. We're going to need at least 2 pounds of ground meat, approximately 1 cup of tomato sauce. We're going to need breadcrumbs, basil, parsley, salt, pepper, and 2 eggs. And let me get all of this into here, and I'll bring you right back and show you what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to mix this up, and then after we're completely incorporating this all together, we are going to add water. And I'll show you what it looks like after I get it all mixed up. Now that it's all mixed up, we're going to add our water in. Okay, so now we've added about a cup of water. And as you can see, it's really moist. And this is what you want in order to keep your meatloaf from drying out and being a rock. Okay, after we've mixed all the water in and we've also added in all of our ingredients, we're going to add in approximately 1 medium onion. And we're going to also add in some garlic powder. I think garlic brings a great taste with the combination of onion to any ground meat. And we're going to mix this in, and then we're going to put it into our loaf pan and get it all set. Okay, now that we have it in our loaf pan, now what we're going to do is we're going to top it with the tomato sauce. Just like this. Now, since we've done that, we've got to also move it around a little bit. So I'm going to get a spatula and move it over to the voided areas so that it doesn't loop on one side. There we go. All right. Now, we're going to add just a little bit of water to help it cook. And now we're going to pop it into a 365-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on how well you like your meat cooked. Okay, well, there's our meatloaf. And yes, there is a lot of grease, and we are going to get that off before we try cutting it up. And I'll bring you back as soon as we finish doing that. Okay, well, we've gotten the majority of our grease off, and now we're going to bring this out, and we're going to show you what our meatloaf looks like. See that? Wonderful. Very, very moist. You can do this recipe with either the tomato sauce, or you can use pre-made canned gravy. Let's take a taste of this. Excellent. Absolutely excellent. It is moist, it's flavorful, and you can't go wrong with this recipe. Please try it. Either use canned gravy with the ground meat, or you can use tomato sauce. Now, there is one thing that I need to bring to your attention. The ground meat that I used was an 80-20 mixture of fat to meat, which will produce more grease. Just a little side note for you. The best thing to use is 92 or more for a leaner, less greasy meatloaf. And that's all I've got for tonight. Enjoy your meatloaf, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye now.